Workers with AI skills earn 56% more than those without. That's not a typo. That's the single biggest skill premium in the job market right now. But here's what everyone gets wrong. They think AI skills means learning to code. It doesn't. The skills that actually command that premium, you can learn them in weeks. Today I'm breaking down the 3 non-technical AI skills paying off in 2026, plus exactly how to prove you have them. Because knowing isn't enough. You need to show it. We're talking prompt engineering, no-code automation, and the skill nobody mentions, knowing when AI is flat out wrong. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why this premium exists. Companies are desperate for AI-ready employees. 41% of tech recruiters now list AI as a must-have skill. According to Futurense research, nearly half of all tech hiring managers won't consider candidates who can't demonstrate AI competency. That's a hard filter, not a nice-to-have. But here's the disconnect. 80% of tech organizations say upskilling is the most effective way to close skill gaps. Yet only 28% plan to actually invest in training programs. McKinsey research found this gap. Companies know what they need but aren't paying to develop it internally. That's your opportunity. If they won't train you, train yourself and charge more. And the payoff is real. Industries making greatest use of AI achieved 3 times higher growth per employee. That's not incremental improvement, that's transformation. Gloat's productivity research shows companies know AI multiplies output. They're willing to pay premium for people who can actually deliver that multiplication, not just talk about it. So what are these skills exactly? Let's start with the most accessible one, prompt engineering. In 2026, this is basically workplace literacy. Final Round AI's analysis puts it bluntly, knowing how to talk to AI tools is now as fundamental as knowing how to use email or spreadsheets. It's table stakes. But here's the thing, most people use AI tools like their Google. They type in a question, get a mediocre answer, and give up. That's not prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is understanding how to structure requests, provide context, iterate on outputs, and get consistently excellent results. It's a repeatable skill, not luck. Here's your first action item. Spend 2 weeks deliberately practicing prompts. Document your before and after results. Same task, better prompt, measurably better output. Write down. First attempt took 30 minutes and needed major edits. Refined prompt took 5 minutes and was 90% ready. That's the proof employers want to see. The second skill is no-code AI automation. This sounds technical, but it's not. These platforms are designed for people who don't write traditional code. Final Round AI's analysis found that no-code AI platforms now let marketers, analysts, operations staff, and educators build AI solutions without programming knowledge. The barrier is gone. Tools like Zapier, Make, and Notion AI let you connect systems, automate workflows, and process information at scale. Drag and drop. No semicolons required. Your action item. Pick one no-code tool relevant to your function. Zapier for general automation. Jasper for marketing content. Notion AI for operations and documentation. Spend 1 week building a single workflow that saves you time. Measure it. Automated weekly reporting saves 4 hours per week. Concrete. Provable. Hireable. Now here's the skill that separates good from great, knowing when AI is wrong. This is the premium skill that's hardest to automate and easiest to demonstrate. Data literacy experts at Final Round AI put it this way, AI can confidently produce wrong results. The valuable professionals are those who can prevent those confident mistakes from becoming bad decisions. A hallucinates. It invents citations. It gets math wrong. It misses context. And it does all of this with absolute confidence. That's not a flaw you can patch. It's fundamental. The professionals who catch these errors, who know what questions to ask, what to verify, where AI tends to fail, they're the ones companies trust with important decisions. Futurense research found that the most valuable AI skill in 2026 isn't coding. It's building trust. Trust that the AI output has been verified by human judgment. Your action item? Start practicing AI judgment deliberately. Use AI tools for real work, then verify the outputs. Document when AI gets it wrong and exactly how you caught it. Build a personal log. I suggested incorrect legal citation. Verified against source document. A miscalculated revenue projection. Caught through manual spot check. This is your proof of judgment. Now let's talk about how to actually demonstrate these skills, because learning them privately helps you, but proving them publicly gets you paid. Start with your LinkedIn profile. Add specific AI tools with concrete outcomes, not just proficient in AI tools. That means nothing. Write this instead. Reduced report generation time 60% using Claude for first drafts. Specific tool. Measurable outcome. Immediately credible. Your resume needs the same treatment. AI skills belong in both your skills section and embedded in your accomplishments. Show integration, not just knowledge. Under your current role, add bullet points like built automated customer response workflow using Zapier, reducing response time from 2 hours to 15 minutes. Action, tool, result. In interviews, AI skills give you ammunition for every behavioral question. Tell me about a time you improved efficiency. Tell me about learning a new skill. You've got stories. When you describe AI workflows you've built, you're simultaneously demonstrating technical adaptability, problem solving, and initiative. 3 qualities, 1 story. Let's talk timeline. This isn't a multi-year commitment. The 56% premium is available to people who invest weeks, not years. According to Gloat's analysis, the AI skills premium exists because supply hasn't caught up to demand. Companies need these skills now. They can't wait for universities to catch up. That means the window is open for self-taught practitioners. You don't need a certificate from Stanford. You need documented results from real work. Week 1 and 2. Focus on prompt engineering. Use ChatGPT or Claude for tasks you already do. Compare results. Refine your approach. Document improvements. Week 3. Pick your no-code tool. Build one automation that solves a real problem in your workflow. Measure the time saved. Write it down with specific numbers. Week 4. Start your AI judgment log. Every time you use AI, verify something in the output. When you catch errors, document them. Build your evidence file. By month 2, you have a portfolio. Not a certificate, a portfolio. Real examples of AI improving your work and real examples of you improving AI's work. Some people worry this premium will disappear as AI skills become common. That's missing the point. The premium isn't for using AI. It's for using it well. MentorCliq's research shows AI upskilling will be non-negotiable in 2026. Basic AI literacy becomes baseline. The premium moves to judgment and integration. Think of it like Excel. Everyone uses spreadsheets now. But the people who can build complex models, automate reporting, and catch formula errors still command premiums. AI will follow the same pattern. The tool becomes universal. The skill in wielding it stays scarce. That's where your edge lives. Focus on being the person who makes AI actually work, not just the person who knows AI exists. Every company has people who can log into ChatGPT. Few have people who can deploy it effectively. Let me address the elephant in the room. Some of you are thinking, isn't AI supposed to replace jobs? Why learn AI skills if AI will do my job anyway? Here's the reality. AI replaces tasks, not jobs. The people who integrate AI into their workflow don't get replaced. They become more valuable. They do more with less. Gloat's research showing 3 times higher growth per employee with AI isn't about fewer employees. It's about each employee producing dramatically more value. That's leverage, not replacement. The 56% premium exists because AI-skilled workers aren't cheaper. They're more productive. Companies pay more because they get more. That equation doesn't change. Your mindset should be, I'm learning to use the most powerful productivity tool ever created. Not, I'm competing with the tool. You're the operator, not the competitor. Let's talk about the learning curve. Prompt engineering is genuinely learnable in days. Getting good at it takes weeks. Getting excellent takes months of practice. No-code automation has a slightly steeper curve. You need to understand the logic of connecting systems. But if you can build a formula in Excel, you can build a workflow in Zapier. AI judgment is the skill that compounds over time. Every error you catch teaches you where to look next time. Your pattern recognition improves with every verification. Don't try to master all 3 simultaneously. Stack them. Prompt engineering first. It's the foundation. Then automation. Then judgment as you get more experience with AI outputs. The key is documenting as you go. Most people learn skills but can't prove them. Your documentation becomes your portfolio, becomes your interview ammunition. Create a simple document right now. Title: AI Skills Portfolio. 3 sections. Prompt engineering examples. Automation workflows built. AI errors caught. Start filling it in this week. When you interview, that portfolio transforms abstract skills into concrete stories. Here's the automation I built. Here's the output improvement. Here's the error I prevented. Hiring managers see someone who doesn't just claim AI skills, they see someone who deploys AI skills. That's the difference between a resume bullet and a job offer. Remember Futurense's finding. 41% of tech recruiters list AI as must-have. You're not trying to impress all hiring managers. You're targeting the ones who already value what you're building. And it's not just tech. Finance, marketing, operations, HR. Every function is adopting AI tools. The skills transfer across industries. Your prompt engineering works everywhere. The question isn't whether to learn these skills. The question is whether you learn them now, while the premium is 56%, or later, when it's table stakes. Early adopters capture premium. Late adopters just meet minimum requirements. Right now, we're in the premium capture phase. That window closes as skills become common. Set a deadline. 4 weeks from today, have your AI skills portfolio started. Not finished, started. Progress beats perfection. Documented progress beats invisible progress. Let's recap what we covered. The 56% premium is real. It exists because companies need AI skills faster than training programs can produce them. 3 skills matter most: prompt engineering to get better outputs, no-code automation to multiply your productivity, and AI judgment to catch mistakes before they become problems. You can learn these in weeks, not years. The learning curve is manageable for anyone who's already computer literate. You don't need a CS degree. You need deliberate practice. Documentation is everything. Build your portfolio as you learn. Every improvement, every workflow, every caught error goes into your evidence file. Your cheat code for this episode: AI skills aren't about becoming a programmer. They're about becoming the person who makes AI work for the business. That's what commands the premium. Start this week. Pick one skill. Prompt engineering is the easiest entry point. Spend 30 minutes a day for 2 weeks. Document your results. Then stack the next skill on top. 4 weeks from now, you'll have a portfolio that proves AI competency. 6 months from now, that portfolio could be worth 56% more on your paycheck. That's the math. Go capture it.